You don't want them on.
So put up your shoulder to him. What do you think, Hopper? You gonna hop on Nick? Or are you gonna dance? He says, I dance for Nick.
What? No?
Are you dancing, Hopper? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
Quit hitting your feet.
He's showing off for you. What do you think, Hopper? Huh? You gonna get Nick again? You gonna get on Nick again? No? No? You like the song?